Cassie the Pug, and today, in my comments of one of my videos, someone told me to react to Big Bird Opens the Door. They told me it was in their videos, and I found them. Oh God! And I found it. And this person has liked a lot of my videos, so I'm guessing they might be a fan of me. Well, I guess they are. And so I'm gonna watch this video right now. Full screen this. Come on. Come on. I'll be right. Finally.
And I've got
Oh my goodness. Meh. Drop the phone. Okay. Alright.
this door. Now, I've opened quite a few doors.
How many times is this video going to buffer?
This is my day,
Oh.
but it didn't open. Maybe it was locked, I thought. But then an idea popped into my head like this.
His
What
face.
if I tried a whole different way of opening this door? A way I've never tried before.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay. So, let me get this straight. Big Bird couldn't open the door, so he just kicked it down and broke it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Thank you, Doreen. So, that was the person who told me to react to this. Thank you so much for telling me to react to this video. I loved it, even though I buffered so much. Thank you.